All right, boys and girls, welcome to this foggy morning. We're over here at some mangroves. We're throwing some of these guys here, some fiddler crabs. Yep, right now I just got a little knocker rig hooked up. I'm trying to throw up underneath the mangroves for some snook. They enjoy these fiddler crabs as well. Oh yeah, we got up in there that time. Let's see what we can do. Alright guys, there he is. I think he's a keeper. Let's check him out. Oh, oh yeah. Yeah, it's a decent sheep. Cool, sleep like that for a second, will ya? Right there on the corner of the mouth. That's a fatty McFatty. Not a big one, but he's thick. I like it when they're thick like that because they got a lot of meat on them. All right, let's go. We're getting off to a good start. Oh yeah, by the way, finally got the GoPro figured out. All right, so now we're over here. I mean, just that quick, we're over here by where the drums are. Let's get back up in there. Yeah, there we go. And I'm just gonna back up a little bit. Oh, there he is. Is that it? Come on now. All right guys, there he is. Nice, I don't know, 16 maybe 17-inch sheephead. Got him on that mangrove tree crab. We're gonna put him on a stringer. All right guys, we're gonna see what we can do here. We're gonna pull up to this little spot right here, and I'm gonna throw this bugger in there. Mangrove tree crab with a little 1/8 ounce egg weight, hooked up knocker style. And we're just going to toss it up in there and see what happens. Oh, yeah, we got up in there. Come on, I think something picked it up. Nope. That's the current. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. I got that wind at my back. There he is. Oh, he got me. Damn it. I wasn't prepared. Let's try that again. Grab right there. Yeah, we didn't get in there that far this time, but let's see. Oh yeah, that's a nice sheephead. That's a nice Sherpa dirt. I do have to let some of this drag out because I went down to 15-pound braid. Oh, that's a nice one. Cool. Come up here, buddy. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, right here. Right here. You're almost there, almost there, almost there. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh. there, boys and girls, flies and squirrels. Let's see, you swallow it? Nope. Got him right there in the corner of the mouth on that little tiny hook. Look at that, guys. Boom. Well, come on. Let's try it again. Look at that. Not a donkey by all means, but that's a nice one. It's a 16-inch healthy one. Yeah. You squeeze the tail, you'll get 16 out of that. Yep, nice little fish there. They're in there. All right, guys. We just got us a nice fatty. Oh, hold on. I mean, we just got him. So he is alive. He is 17 inches. 17 inches according to the free bill. Look at that bad boy. That is a beautiful fish. 17 inches. Yeah. Okay. Just like that. Let's see what we got here. See what we can do. Come on. Wow, something big must have pulled up. There we go. Come on. There it is. There it is. Oh yeah, there he goes. Is that a little guy? What is that? That's a little red. All right. I'm gonna throw that right back in the same spot. Oh. All right. And oh man, he hit it quick. This will be a rare continuous feed. Like I said earlier, I haven't got my battery pack set up yet. I did want and purchase one. I got a pocket. What's it called? Juice pocket. There's my cast. Boy, these guys are on today. Wow, I like this. Man. All right, another little sheepy. Get yourself in this hole. Right there in the lip. Almost lost him. All right. We're gonna do a continuous feed and see if we can't get another one. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. Oh, a little on the outside there, but we'll see. Boy, that just smacked the water. Man, it just smacked the water. He was on it. It's that wintertime. This is that wintertime bite. Come on. Not too close there, but here we go. Already? Damn, there he is. Wow, that's a good one. It's a decent one. Got a 17-incher earlier. Oh yeah. Oh, this one might be. All right, take it easy. I have to loosen my drag just a little bit because he's pulling. He's fight. This is a fighter. I don't know if he's very big, but he sure the hell is fighting. Wow. Come on, boy. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Right on the free bill. Chill. I'm gonna guess 16. Yep, just it's a 16th and an 1/8. Alright guys, what I did was stopped at one of these boat docks. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's these little tiny little mussels. I'm pretty sure they're mussels growing on the outside. And I just came, and I'm in my kayak, so I'm doing this a little bit different, but I took my bat, put it right up underneath, and then I just took a scraper and scraped it off in there to collect it. Now that I have these, I'm going to take my pliers and squish them up a little bit. Let them juices out. See that? Just crushing them. Look at that. Get them juices all loosened up. Okay. I'm gonna take them over here. I want to fish that little pocket right there. All right. So right there. That's where I'm gonna be throwing here in a second. That really gets the sheephead fired up. And I mean fired up, I mean it puts them into a feeding frenzy. They just want to hit that bait fast. Watch this. And that's how you can always tell when there's a bunch down there, is they'll hit it really fast. Watch this. Oh, there he is. You see what I'm saying? That's how you do it, guys. That's how I do it anyway. He's a decent guy. Look at that. I got him hooked kind of goofy. Okay. Yep. There he is. Like and subscribe to my channel if you like the videos that I'm producing for you. All right. There he is. We're gonna let this one go. He looks like he's probably 11, 12 inches. Got my fiddler crab on there, right up through the top. My little egg weight. Up in there. Just come on, fishy, fishy. Oh, there he hit it. Oh, he hit it, and I still got my bait. I can still see that it just pulled all the way up to the top. Hang on, see if he comes back up for it. Nope, my bait fell off. All right, but yeah. Anyway. Just get you some of the mussels. Get you a fiddler crab on there. Or you can use mangrove tree crabs. Those are actually better. But I like these mangrove tree crabs. They'll hit these fiddler crabs just as good, if not, you know, they're about the same. I just like using the mangrove tree crabs because they stay on the hook pretty good, and the snook will hit them, redfish will hit them. That last one kind of stirred them up a little bit. So what they'll do is they'll push back. I mean, they'll come back out, but watch. Get right there, right on the edge. Watch how long he'll hit. Oh, there he is. There he is, see? All right. He's coming right at me. Oh, there he goes. Come on. Oh, that's a nice, is that a red or a little drum? Maybe? That's a redfish, I bet. Yep, that's a red. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. All right, redfish. Told you those redfish, snook, drum, sheephead, they just love them damn fiddler crabs. There he is, guys. Let's check him on the fray bill. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got. He is 20 inches. He's 20 inches. But this one's feisty. Oh, yeah. Look at that. 20 inches, guys. Right there. right at just over 20 and a half inches. So cool, so cool. Okay, put this back. We're gonna put him in the cooler. And guys, we're throwing these little guys. These fiddler crabs are a little on the small side, but they're working. So I'm gonna put this right there. Oh yeah, right there on the edge. That's a redfish spot right there. Well, sheephead too. Oh, he got me. Come on. I want to bring in one more real quick for you. Bring in one more. Next time I get out, I'll have my battery pack, a pocket juice all set up, and I'll do some nice continuous videos. Nope, I don't want that there. Not close enough. I want it right on the edge. Oh yeah, right there, watch this. Within seconds. Watch this, guys. Wintertime fishing be like, wham. Yeah. That one's kind of a small one, but hey, it is what it is. Watch this, guys. Wintertime fishing be like, wham. There he goes. Come on. He's coming right for me. Guys, another little tip for this spot that I'm using, or that I'm fishing right here, is the current is going in the direction my pole is pointing. It's going away from me. So I'm tossing right up against the mangroves, and I tighten up my line. That way it falls to the bottom really slowly. And then that way it's in the air a lot longer for those sheephead to see it. What kind of snake that is. But we ain't gonna get too much closer. Maybe a little bit closer. Look at that shit. That's a diamondback, it looks like. Wow. Alright, we've came far enough.